Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back again for our today's lecture. This is a lecture for class 5, subject English grammar, chapter number 17. You know very well. I have discussed with you this lesson before also. This is lecture number 2, and in lecture number 1 I already summarized the whole lesson means thoroughly I explained the whole lesson. And today this is the topic of term 3 PC Rance. As you know very well, this PC Rance book is not divided into terms, but we will consider it as term 3. Okay, topic is adverbs first part, means today we are going to take its summary as well as its book exercise. So before we go further, we have to discuss what are the things that are given in today's lecture, means we are going to discuss its content also. So in contents you will find, means you will get summary of 3 subparts, or we can say 3 parts of adverbs. First is adverb of manner, second adverb of degree, and third one is interrogative adverb. Okay, these adverb I already discussed with you. As I told you that in lesson number 17 first part we are going to discuss only 3 adverbs, and rest of the 3 means which are left we will be discussing in next lesson, that is lesson number 18 of adverbs second. Okay, second part. Then we will discuss book exercise in today's lecture. After book exercise it will be followed by previous homework solution, and last you will get homework. In homework beta you will get its summary lecture. Okay, or in homework you will get your assignment also. Okay, so assignment will be uploaded on Adquark or as well as in your group, you can see over there. So let's start. With adverbs first. Kriya Visheshan. We know very well what we call adverbs in Hindi. This is a fifth part of speech. As I told you in online class also, there are 8 parts of speech. Starts from noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb. Then preposition, conjunction and interjection. These preposition, conjunction, interjection you will get in you will get soon in class 5 also. Okay, but today we are going to do its 5th part of speech, that is Kriya Visheshan or adverbs. In Hindi you will call Kriya Visheshan. Adverbs are divided into 6 parts beta. Adverb has 6 parts. First is adverb of manner, then adverb of degree, then interrogative adverb, then adverb of place, adverb of time, and adverb of frequency. There are some specific words which are used to find out whether this is adverb of manner, place, degree, time, interrogative and frequency. These words also I will discuss in today's, means only for 3 we will discuss in today's lecture, and rest of 3 we will discuss in next lesson, that is lesson number 18. Okay, so for adverb of manner, how will you identify adverb of manner, how will you identify adverb of degree, and how will you identify interrogative adverb? This we will discuss in today's lecture. First of all, things come, what is the definition, means इसकी परिभाषा क्या है. Definition means परिभाषा. The words which are used to describe or modify verb, adjective or another adverb are called adverbs. ऐसे शब्द जो किसी भी दूसरे एडजेक्टिव को, किसी दूसरे एडवर्ब को या किसी वर्ब को मॉडिफाई करने के लिए या फिर डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए यूज होते हैं, उनको हम एडवर्ब्स बोलते हैं, क्रिया विशेषण बोलते हैं. इन हिंदी यू विल गेट द डेफिनेशन. वे शब्द जो किसी भी क्रिया विशेषण और दूसरे क्रिया विशेषण की विशेषता बताते हैं, उन्हें हम क्रिया विशेषण बोलते हैं. इन इंग्लिश यू विल गेट द वर्ड्स विच आर यूज्ड टू डिस्क्राइब और मॉडिफाई वर्ब, एडजेक्टिव और अनदर एडवर्ब आर कॉल्ड एडवर्ब्स. Okay, so this is the definition of adverbs. If somebody asks what the definition of adverbs, you will tell, and if somebody asks how many kind of adverbs are, then you will define that there are 6 parts of adverb: adverb of manner, adverb of degree, interrogative adverb, adverb of place, time and frequency. So first of all, let's start with adverb of manner. So we'll start with adverb of manner. Manner means किस वे में, ठीक है, किस तरीके से, ठीक है. So it gives the answer of how an action is done. Okay, so how an action is done, this will be told by adverb of manner. In adverb of manner beta, you will modify verb, because we are talking here about action words. So here you will modify verb. Verb means verb. What do we call verb? Verb means action words. Okay, action words. Action words like sleep, write, think, climb, see, watch. These are action words. So in adverb of manner you will get the answer of how. You will get the answer of how. Okay, and one more thing that you have to keep in your mind, in adverb of manner, beta, you will get in the end of the word ly. Not always, but most of the time. Not always, but most of the time you will get ly. Okay, ly, like if there is soft, it will become while adding ly, it will become softly. In the same manner, if there is loud, it will become loudly, and if there is bitter, bitterly. In the same manner, there is brave, bravely. So here you will get ly in the end of the word, because they tell how an action is done, and they also use to modify verb, means action words. It always gives the answer of how. How means कैसे हुआ है. As in the definition also I told you that it tells how, means it also modify verbs. Okay, modify verbs, adjective and another adverb. Okay, but here we are going to discuss that it describe or modify verb. Okay, so you will get the answer of how here. Like he sang the song sweetly. So if somebody asks how he sang, you will say sweetly. So sweetly is adverb, and it is going to define here verb. Which verb he is going to define here? कैसे गाया. Gaya is action word. कैसे is how. कैसे गाया, how he sang sweetly. So you will get the answer of how here, and it defines verb. In here in this sentence, it is defining sang, मतलब गाया. Okay. Now next adverb. This is adverb number 1, adverb of manner. Now we are going to discuss second part, that is adverb of degree. Now beta, in adverb of degree means how much. How much, or to what degree. To what degree. It always gives the answer of how much or to what degree. मतलब कितना और कितने तक उसने वो उसको मॉडिफाई किया, एक वर्ड ने दूसरे वर्ड को. ठीक है, तो you will get the answer of how much or to what degree here. These are very easy to tell you that in this sentence they are used to modify both either adverb or adjective. Okay, in adverb of degree you will get, they will modify both either adverb or adjective. ये दोनों को ही modify करता है, चाहे वो adjective हो या adverb हो, दोनों को ही ये modify करेगा. And here you will get the answer of how much or to what degree. ठीक है, like from your book you will take the example. As you can see here, adverbs of degree. The rose is very beautiful. Here, very. His face was nearly black. Nearly. The man was almost angry. And almost. They are adverbs of degree because here they are defining a adjective. Okay, beta. Because I told you in means right now that in adverb of degree, the words they are used to describe or modify adjective as well as adverbs. Okay, so here they are defining adjectives. The rose is very beautiful. रोज कैसा है? ब्यूटीफुल है. कितना ब्यूटीफुल है? रोज कितना ब्यूटीफुल है? बहुत ज़्यादा ब्यूटीफुल है. तो वेरी. हिज फेस और नियरली ब्लैक. उसका जो फेस है वो नियरली मतलब लगभग थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही ब्लैक है. तो उसका फेस कितना? हाउ मच? नियरली. हाउ मच? ऑलमोस्ट. सो यू विल गेट द आंसर ऑफ हाउ और टू व्हाट डिग्री. ओके, टेल्स हाउ. कैसे मतलब कितने डिग्री तक, कितने तक. ओके, So it has a answer of adverb of degree. Here also you can see the boy ran very fast. He speaks rather slowly. The king treated his vizier most really. Here very, rather and most. There are also adverbs here because here they are defining another adverb like fast, rather slowly, cruelly. So here also they are describing manner. Okay, so fast is adverb of manner, slowly is also adverb of manner, and cruelly is also adverb of manner. And these very, rather and most, they are adverb of degree. So they are also defining here. Means one adverb is defining another adverb. One adverb is defining another adverb. One adverb is defining another adverb. So here it has been concluded that adverb of degree, they are the words which are used to describe or define adjective as well as adverbs are called adverb of degree. Okay. So this is adverb of degree in which you will get the answer of how or to what degree. मतलब कितने तक, how much. Okay. So this is your adverb of degree. Now come to the next part. Now come to the third sub part of adverb, that is adverb of question, or we can say interrogative adverb. The main thing that arises here is question mark. Means in interrogative adverb you will get the answer of, or you will be asking questions here. Okay, in which you will be asking questions and in the end you will get question mark also. Okay, and these sentences will start with WH family beta, not WH family. In WH family, if there is how is also WH family because it includes with W and H. So it is WH family. So you will get the answer of how, when, where, why. Okay, these answers you will get in interrogative degree. Here you will be asking questions and it starts with WH family. So this is your interrogative adverb. This is third part of adverbs. Now the left parts means adverb of time, place and adverb of frequency. This we will be discussing in next lesson. This is lesson number 18, second part of adverbs. Okay. Now we will be doing its book exercise. This is your previous homework solution because this I have assigned you, in which you have to underline the adverbs that I have already underlined verbs and name the verbs with which each is used. So I have written verb here and the adverbs are given here. Our soldiers fought bravely. So bravely is adverb and here you will see that our soldiers fought bravely. Fought is second form of verb, or we can say it is verb, and here in adverb of manner I already told you that it so here beta you will see that walking is verb and fast is adverb. Talking is verb, loudly is adverb. Do is verb, so is adverb. Writes is verb, and well is adverb. So here you can see these these adverbs are defining verb. Okay. Here also the same thing is being applied. Distinctly is adverb, speak is verb. In the same manner all these are given. Okay. Now in exercise number 2 it is given, write down 3 sentences in your notebook each containing an adverb of manner. So you can do it yourself. You have to write 3 sentences in your notebook in which each of one has to contain adverb of manner. Means he sang very sweetly, he sang song sweetly in this way. Okay, in which you will give adverb of manner examples. Now come on exercise number 3. Fill in the blanks with suitable adverbs of degree. Choose from the words given alongside. Here you have been given means box. You have to choose words from here and you have to fill accordingly. He sings dash well. He sings perfectly well. The sea was dash stormy. The sea was almost stormy. He is dash careless. He is quite careless. You are dash right. You are absolutely right. We rose dash early. We rose rather early. Okay, so in this way, with the help of this box, you have to fill the word accordingly. For this I will be giving you answers. Okay, I will post answer in the group. You can check your answers there, but you have to do it yourself first of all. Last exercise of this lesson is fill in the blanks with appropriate interrogative adverbs. As you know very well, interrogative adverbs means WH family. The word will start with WH or how. Okay, these are interrogative words. Dash is my cricket ball, cricket bat. Where is my cricket bat? Okay, मेरा cricket bat कहाँ है? So you can write here where is my cricket bat. Or second, dash is your examination. So it is asking about time. When is your examination? Dash did you not bring the umbrella? कि तुम umbrella क्यों नहीं लाए? You can write here why didn't you bring your umbrella? So in this way, here I told you that where means कहाँ, when means कब, when is your examination, and third is why didn't you bring your umbrella. In the same manner, dash are you so lazy? तो इट इज ऑल्सो आस्किंग क्वेश्चन, डैश तुम इतने लेजी क्यों हो, वाई आर यू सो लेजी. फिफ्थ, डैश मच मनी हैव यू. तो यू कैन राइट हियर हाउ मच मनी, यू कैन राइट हाउ मच मनी डू यू हैव या फिर हैव यू. ओके, इन दिस मैनर लास्ट एफ इज डैश डज दिस ट्रेन गो. तो यू कैन आस्क हियर वेयर, ये ट्रेन कहाँ जाएगी, वेयर डज ट्रेन कहाँ जाती है, where does this train go. Dash did you get up in this morning. You can write when did you get up in this morning. तो इस morning में कब उठे. And dash many books do you have. So you can write here how many books do you have. तुम्हारे पास कितनी books हैं. Dash did you not call me. Why didn't you call me. This is the last exercise. So this exercise I made you do here. In exercise number 3-2 you will do yourself. Okay. Now today's homework is assignment of adverbs first will be uploaded of lesson number 17 PC Rens. You know very well this, I already discussed this lesson with you here in lecture number 2. Already I discussed everything, means this was assembly lecture. So after assembly lecture you will get your assignment beta. So assignment will be uploaded of lesson number 17 adverbs 1, and then after this lesson we will be continuing its second part, that is lesson number 18 adverb second, in which we are going to discuss the left 3 parts: adverb of time, place and frequency. Okay, so be ready for this. First of all you have to do its assignment. Okay, and do please post answer this assignment on my email address. Don't use my previous mail address, use new email address, that is CHHONKER Chokar Shivani @gmail.com. Okay, Chokar Shivani @gmail.com. Please post your answers here on this mail ID. Don't use my previous mail ID because as I can't read messages over there because the mail ID is completely filled. So I can't use this mail ID. You have to post me your answers on this mail ID, means on which you sent me your exam papers. Okay, chokarshivani @gmail.com. Thank you very much for watching this lecture. If you have any doubt, any query, please do meet me in online class. We will discuss many things there. Your assignment you have to do yourself instead of taking anybody's help, or don't seek anybody's help. If you have any problem, then directly discuss with me. Okay, so take care. Bye bye. Thank you so much.